Hello and welcome to the Stamp Camp. I'm Glenda Calkins, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And today I have a fun fold card for you featuring my stamp set of the month, which is the Free as a Bird stamp set. And then it has the stitch nested labels dies. Now this is sold in a bundle. You get all these dies and the stamp set. It is sold in a bundle, and this is my featured stamp set for the month of July. So if you wish to receive all the PDF files that I've been doing all month long with my Free as a Bird bundle, you need to go to my blog, www.thestampcamp.com, click on Shop Now or on my shopping cart. If you place a minimum $50 order before shipping and tax, and use the hostess code, you will receive the unlock code for all this month's fun Free as a Bird bundle stamp sets and projects. Now this month I have a box with 4 cards and a bunch of other cards. So this one right here is the one I'm going to show you today, and it is a flip fold. So it is a different type flip fold. It has a card base, and then this outer part flips up for to reveal the inside part of your card. So let's get started on that. We're going to start with our base, which is right here. This is our pool party, and then we have our whisper white, which will be the inside. Now to create the flap, you're going to have some pool party again, and then it's scored at a 1/2 inch. We're going to fold on that score line just like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take the white and we're going to slide this over. I want about an 1/8 inch along the edge here. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take the liquid glue, hold that, flip that over, take that liquid glue. I just like to use the liquid glue because it does give it a little give. So if I flip it back over and I want to move it, that looks pretty good. I can still move it a little bit, but I'm going to just hold that in place there a little bit just to secure that down, and that is creating my flip front, or at least part of it. We're going to do part of it with the framelets, the nested stitched framelets. Now I'm going to come around with my fast fuse, and we're going to attach that to our front piece, or cardstock base, I guess you would call it. That looks good, just like that. Then we're going to come in with the Ballad, I should say, Ballad, Bird Ballad Designer Series paper. That is a mouthful. Bird Ballad Designer Series paper. Coordinates with the stamp set. It is sold in the Bird Ballad suite. So I have my print, and we're going to just put that on our flap. Kind of center that on there, just like that. Then we use the dies from the bundle. These are the Stitch Nest labels, and I have a white and then the pool party. We're going to stamp on the white one. On my sample I did thank you, but I think we're going to do hello on this one, so I'm going to ink that up, kind of center that, and hello, stamp that, and then we'll attach the 2 labels together. Just like so, and then that's going to get stuck to the front right here on the side, and we only want to put adhesive or glue right down the edge here so that we don't stick it to the inside of our card. Then we won't have that flip. So I'm going to just put some liquid glue right along the edge here. I think liquid glue or your tear tape probably will hold it. And I did that on the wrong side. Okay. I'm going to take that back off. I thought I flipped it directly over. And we're gonna put that liquid glue right there. Good thing I didn't use my fast fuse. And keep it straight and go right along the edge there. Another good reason to use the liquid glue is you can move it so it's straight. The next thing I did was I took our little single bird here from the stamp set and stamped it on whipped cream using the black, Memento black, and then colored it in with the blends. Now I have the dark suede here because after I colored him in, I cut him out. And then if you don't like to see that little white edge of the paper, if you just run your marker or your blend along the outside edge, that's going to fill in all that white, and it looks like it was that way, and you're such a good cutter. Just like that. And so you will see no white. And then I did the same thing with the little sprig here of leaves and then the little flower, and I hand cut those out as well, the little flowers, and I colored the flowers with the Daffodil Delight. So what we're going to do is going to put a little bit of adhesive in the middle there, and we're just going to start attaching those leaves like so. And then we're going to pop our bird up with the dimensionals. Just like that. And attach our bird. And then we're going to take our flowers here. And I'm just going to cut some pieces of the dimensional because the flowers are little, so I don't need a big one. You could use the mini dimensionals as well, but I don't have them right here, so we're gonna, and then you're just gonna place the flower behind the bird a little bit, just like that. And then over this side, just like that. So quick and easy, and oh, isn't that adorable? That is so cute. I love that little bird. And then you got your flip fold. Now, because that's a little bit sticky, what I'm going to do is take the embossing buddy and rub that over, and then it won't be sticky anymore. Takes the whole stickiness from the glue away. So that is your bonus card for this week, featuring the Free as a Bird stamp set and then the coordinating stitched nested labels dies. And I also use the Bird Ballad Designer Series paper. So that is your card for today. Thanks for stopping by.